Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. When it comes to detailing products, guys, hey, don't overlook the smaller companies. Don't be distracted by the fancy labeling or containers from the larger companies. You know, some of the smaller companies, they pour their blood, sweat, and tears into these products. They don't have the resources that some of the larger companies do. So I do find a lot of gems within these smaller companies, and when I find them, I will share them with you. Today, we are going to showcase one of those companies, CJ's Master Formula. Let's get right into the video. CJ's Master Formula out of Fullerton, California has the variety of products that range from cleaning to polishing to protection of all types of surfaces, not just automotive. Let me demonstrate just a few if I may. And we're going to start with a tip, an exhaust tip. Could be stainless steel or chrome, who knows? That's how heavily soiled it is. But we're going to use the metal gloss to clean that tip up and get it shiny again. All I'm going to use here is a scrub pad and a microfiber and work it clean. Metal gloss, formulated using jeweler's rouges, originally designed to polish out the most expensive and precious metals, also can take care of stainless steel, so it's powerful yet has the balance of being smooth enough to finish out the finest chrome pieces. Lens gloss can clean and polish glass, plastic, and fiberglass. Just like the finishes and the clear coat on our vehicles, the headlights, taillights, parking lights, and other plastic and glass, surfaces also need to be polished and cleared up. They also carry sealants and quick detailers and absolutely everything needed to prep the surface to be able to use them. When it comes to that prep, we're talking about cleaners, polishes, compounds. And we'll be using those here on this test panel as we prepare it for seal or gloss. And for a sealant or a quick detailer, you want to have that surface prepped and perfectly clean. A wash, decontamination, clay, iron remover, and a quick polish. Doesn't matter if it's an enhancement, a one-step, or a multi-step correction. Sealer gloss can protect up to 1 full year if prepped properly. You could use the quick detailer to maintain it as well. Can be used on all clear coat or single stage surfaces, on car, trucks, or motorcycles. Also can be used on gel coat, fiberglass, chrome, stainless steel, and aluminum. The product is user-friendly, easy to apply and remove, and as it sat overnight to cure, made the panel, the test area, look fantastic. We're going to test it even further. Let's start with slickness. And now gloss. We started with 91 gloss units on this particular panel, and you can see the nice little jump we've had. We'll take the panel outside and set it upright as a request from a lot of the viewers to see the panel a lot better and so it doesn't flood the panel as we're testing with water and chemicals. The product does a fantastic job repelling water. It sheets water, so that will help with hard water spots. And you'll see that characteristic here in action as we continue the testing. And quick tip, your automotive finish will have a much better chance against hard water spots if it has a protectant that sheets. Now on this side here, the water is beading. If that would dry, you would have some water spots. On the other side here, not so much. Okay, good friends, that's going to bring us to the final thoughts segment of this video. If and when you get a chance to try some of the products from these smaller companies, I would urge you to do so. You never know when you're going to find some gem amongst these products. When I find them, I will definitely pass them along to you. I'll put links down below for these products here. If you have any questions whatsoever, don't hesitate. Brian from Apex Detail, I'll catch you in the next video.